Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome you all to Scorpio class Hindi. In this video, I have brought first poem of class 8 Hindi from Karnataka. Name of the poem is Prarthana. If you are a student of 8 and viewing this channel for the first time, then there is a good news for you all that in this channel you will get all the chapters and poem explanation and notes of class 9 and 10. So it is going to be helpful in your upcoming years. Okay. So now let us come back to the explanation of this poem. This is the आशय means summary. मनुष्य जीवन में सद्भाव का प्रधान स्थान है. छोटे बड़े का भेदभाव न रखते हुए सबके साथ मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए. किसी का अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए और अपने देश के प्रति अभिमान रखना चाहिए. So before understanding the summary, let us see what is prarthana. Prarthana means prayer. So what is prayer? Prayer is a conversation between you and your Lord, your Maker, your Creator. So when you pray, you get closer to your God. Yes, you get closer to your God, and when you pray, you supplicate, you get inner peace, you get satisfaction, you get tranquility to your heart. Yes, you feel relaxed. So we all pray, yes, and we must pray, and we should also include everyone in our prayer, whether we know them or not. Yes, we should pray for everyone, for humanity. So everything about prayer we will see in this poem, that how we should pray and what all things we should include in our prayer. So here, first let us see the hard words. Sadbhav. Sadbhav means harmony. Then Bhedbhav. Bhedbhav means partiality. Then Apman. Apman means insult. Abhiman means pride. Okay. So harmony occupies an important place in human life. Yes. What is harmony? Harmony means living together. Okay. Living together, being together, doing everything together. That is harmony. And it is very important in our life. We should not discriminate between big and small, rich and poor. We should live in harmony with everyone, and one should not insult anyone, and we should be proud to be an Indian. Yes, so this is the summary. Now let us move on to the stanza. सच बोले सच बात विचारे, भले काम पर जीवन वारे, मिलकर रहे नियम अपनाए, बीती बातों को बिसराए. Here the hard words. Vichar. Vichar means thoughts. Okay, thoughts. Bhale means good. Vare means to spend. Then niyam means rule. Bisraye. Bisraye means to forget, to let it go. So whenever you speak, okay, whenever you speak, you should speak the truth. And even your thoughts should be right. Means it should be positive and clean. Your words and thoughts both should be on the path of truth. And you have to spend your life on good works. You should not do any bad things in life. You should not spoil your life, because life is a precious gift. So so you have to utilize it properly, have to do good deeds. And people should live with peace and harmony, should follow one rule, one niyam. Yes, people should follow one rule, because many a times we are mistaken or we misunderstand others. So all that negative things we should forget. Okay, and we should remove all the negativity which is there in our mind and heart, and we should live peacefully together. Okay, now let's move on to the next stanza. छोटे बड़े सभी मिल जाए, गिरे हुए को तुरंत उठाए, करे किसी का न अपमान, ऐसी ही मति दो भगवान. Yes, so here the hard words. छोटे बड़े means big and small. Turant means immediately. Mati means mind. So here chote bade means rich and poor. So rich and poor, everyone should unite and help those who are in need, who want our help. See, sometimes we get into serious problems like we become victims of earthquake, tsunami, flood, swine flu, and now we are facing corona, right? So these type of situation are dangerous. We all need help. So we should always be ready to help in such circumstances, whether we are rich, poor, belong to upper caste or lower caste. All that we should forget, we should not keep in mind. We should, if we see any person is in need, we should run and help. Yes. So here he is praying that God give me good mind to understand so that I never hurt anyone, I never insult anyone, never do any wrong to anyone. Okay, so this type of prayer we should ask. Then next, एक रहे सद्भाव रखे हम, देश देश में मान रखे हम, हट छोड़े संयम अपनाए, मातृभूमि पर बलि बलि जाए. Here, Sadbhav means harmony. Man means respect. Hat means bad feelings, negativity. Sanyam means control. Bali means sacrifice. So, in this stanza, it's saying that we all should unite and live with peace and harmony, means together. We should feel proud to be Indian, and we should also have respect for other countries. Okay? Yes, it is necessary to respect other countries also. You should love your country, but also you should respect other countries. And whatever negativity we have in our mind, we should have control on that. We should try to remove the bad feelings that stops us from doing good, and we should always be ready to sacrifice our life for our motherland. Okay, so this is a very short poem, and yes, it is good poem also. So this was about the poem Prarthana. It's a prayer asking for good life, good mind, respecting others, and also to be ready to sacrifice life for motherland. It's a very easy poem. I hope you understood this poem. If you have any doubt, you can comment it. And if you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Till then, take care.